Co-Vision Pro, your guide to safety. Meet Salim. Salim wants to figure out which supermarket to go to. However, he is unsure which one is the safest based on COVID safety measures. What we do know though is that surveillance cameras are able to capture whether people are maintaining a good distance between each other or they are not maintaining social distancing. Surveillance cameras can also determine whether people are wearing face masks or they are not wearing face masks. Of course, with the help of computer vision. So how can we transfer this information to a user from the comfort of their homes? Well, what we would do is we would pass the information that is captured from the surveillance cameras to an algorithm which is able to predict the safety level of a particular location, whether it is a supermarket or a restaurant or a shop. Then this data is transferred to the mobile phone of the user, which will determine what the safest location is based on the user's preference. In the case of Salim, it is a supermarket, and the algorithm would be able to tell Salim what the safest supermarket is. Let's see how this will work. Suppose we have AI Nugget Supermarket. The surveillance camera detects that half of the people are not properly distanced from one another. It also determines that half of them are not wearing face masks. So it assigns a social distancing score of 50% and a face mask score of 50%. 8i Supermarket, on the other hand, shows that most of the users are maintaining a good social distancing and that most of them are also wearing face masks. So it assigns a social distancing score of 100% and a face mask score of 75%. This is where the role of the mobile app comes in. Compare the scores of the different supermarkets and then once it finds the safest supermarket, it can initialize some information and it can suggest a navigation path. So now Salim will be checking out the details. If Salim is satisfied, then Salim can start the trip to the supermarket. And in that way, Salim would have had a safe trip and would have not had to go through the effort of calling and trying to research which supermarket is safe, because the app has all the information that is needed.